overcome the problems of lungs ailments, to terminate the unhealthiness of stomach, to experience the peace of mind, to get rid of problems of menstruation like PCOD or PCOS. We are going to see an important breathing technique called Kapalbhati. We are going to discuss why to do it, who should or should not do it, how to do it, what are the precautions and its merits. So let's begin. Hello, welcome to Dnyanarogya English. Increased belly, weight, unhealthiness of the stomach are the root causes for many of the diseases. Now stomach is no more an origin of health but a depot of diseases. Now there is no more place for peace and stability of mind. What we generally observe is rush, fickle and anonymous fear of instability and eluding everything from our possession. Everybody expects solution from it but in vain. For the same purpose, this is my little contribution. So let's get closer to the peace of mind, to the practice of Kapalbhati. Let us throw these diseases from our body by moving our abdomen. A verse from Gheranda samhita says, Dhautir baste tatha netihi lavliki tratakam tatha Kapalbhatish chaitani shatkarmani samacharet. Which means there are 6 body cleansing kriyas. Dhauti basti neti navli tratak Kapalbhati. Kapal means skull. Bhati means to shine. Kapalbhati helps all organs in the skull to function efficiently. Health of all skull organs improves. A verse in Hathapradipika says, Astravallohakarasya recha purav sasamramam Kapalbhatir vikhyata kafadosha vishoshini. Which means Kapalbhati is a process of Puraka and Rechaka one after the other, which sound like bellows of blacksmith. It relieves us from phlegm of respiratory tract. One of the best remedy to reduce weight and improve health of our stomach is Kapalbhati. Many people believe it as cleansing process and many of them as pranayama. But rather discussing that, let's check its benefits. Kapalbhati will definitely help for the overall health of our body. It will help in cleansing and development of respiratory tract and lungs. This process no doubt will improve our stomach efficiency and will also help to overcome 70 to 80% ailments of our body. Let's see precautions of Kapalbhati before the process. Over practice of Kapalbhati may be harmful. It may cause hernia. Pregnant women and asthmatic patients should not practice it. If you are a heart patient or with stent, do it carefully. If you are suffering from hypertension, practice it mildly. Expert guidance is must before practicing. Now let's focus on some important facts about Kapalbhati. A person may experience headache, backache, cumber sadness, dizziness, etc. during or after the practice, but daily practice will minimize it. But consult expert if it persists. Prefer to give way to natural impulses like hiccup, sneezing, burp or intestinal gas release, and then restart Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati must be practiced empty stomach. Now let's see the merits of Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati improves functioning of liver and kidneys, enhances metabolic rate and reduces belly and consequently weight. Diabetes can come under control. It calms and stabilizes the mind due to focus on the process. It may provide solution over PCOD or PCOS. Like this, there are many benefits of Kapalbhati. Gheranda samhita has given 3 types of Kapalbhati. Vatakram Kapalbhati, Vyutkram Kapalbhati, Chittakram Kapalbhati. Vatakram Kapalbhati is the type that is practiced nowadays. This is that method that we are going to see. In Vyutkram Kapalbhati, water is taken in through nostrils and expelled out through mouth. In Chittakram Kapalbhati, water is taken in through mouth and expelled out through nostril. Even then, ordinary people should practice only Vatakram Kapalbhati. Now let's see how to do it. Now let's see Vatakram Kapalbhati. First of all, be seated in Dhyanatmak Asana, Padmasana, Samasana, Vajrasana, Swastikasana. Anyone, sit in erect posture. With full concentration, do natural and slow breathing. Now breathe deeply in and lift your chest and shoulder upward and start giving strokes to lower abdomen, around belly button, inward and upward. During process, pay attention to exhaling only. Neglect focusing on inhaling as it is without effort and automatic. Continue strokes with specific rhythm up to 1 minute. Repeat it for 3 to 4 times. Breathe slowly between every 1 minute. 30 strokes in minute, 60 strokes in minute, 90 strokes in minute. Like this, try to improve yourself up to 120 strokes per minute. Once you get acquainted with this, you can practice it continuously for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes and even up to 15 minutes. Preferably practice any breathing technique after the practice of asanas. Yoga posture video is linked in description box. Remember, practice Kapalbhati only after expert guidance. More to come on Dnyanarogya English playlist of breathing techniques. Hope all of you might have liked this video, giving information regarding Kapalbhati with practical. All the best for your health. Thanks a lot.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified first for each new video.